Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money overnight. No packing orders, no handling customer service, no worrying about inventory, just pure profit while you sleep. Sounds unreal? Well, that's exactly what selling digital products can do for you. And now, with AI, getting started is easier than ever. You don't need to be a designer, a writer, or a tech expert. AI tools can help you create, market, and even automate your business so you can focus on making money instead of figuring everything out from scratch. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to start an online business but felt stuck on what to sell or how to even begin, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how to start a digital product business using AI. I'll walk you through what digital products are, how to use AI to create them in minutes, and the best ways to sell them without spending a fortune on ads or websites. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launching your own profitable digital product business with the help of AI. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. Now that you know how easy it is to start, let's talk about why selling digital products is one of the best ways to make money online. A lot of people think making money online means running an e-commerce store, selling physical products, or working with dropshipping. But here's the thing, physical products come with a lot of hassle. You have to deal with shipping, inventory, and customer service, and your profit margins aren't always great. With digital products, none of that is a problem. When you sell a digital product, you create it once and sell it over and over again, without ever running out of stock. There are no shipping delays or storage costs, and you keep almost all the profit because there are no production expenses. It's one of the easiest ways to build passive income, and once your product is live, you can literally make money while you sleep. And the best part? AI makes it even easier. You don't need to be a designer, writer, or tech expert to create something valuable. AI tools can help with everything, from designing templates to writing content, or even generating music and videos. People are already making thousands of dollars selling simple digital products like social media templates for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, digital planners and Notion templates for productivity, AI-generated stock images and video, ebooks and PDF guides on niche topics, AI-generated music or sound effects for creators. And these are just a few examples. As long as your product helps someone, saves time, or solves a problem, there's a market for it. So now that you know why digital products are such a great way to make money, the next big question is, what should you sell? A lot of people overthink this and get stuck, but the truth is, you don't need a groundbreaking idea to start making sales. You just need a product that people already want, something that saves time, solves a problem, or makes life easier. And this is where AI makes everything so much simpler. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out the perfect idea, you can use AI tools to find proven product ideas in minutes. If you're unsure what to sell, AI can literally do the brainstorming for you. You can go to ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 10 profitable digital product ideas based on trending niches." In seconds, AI will suggest things like Instagram story templates for influencers, Notion planners for entrepreneurs, AI-generated digital art, ebooks on trending topics, or budgeting worksheets for freelancers. And if you already have a skill or interest, you can refine the results by asking, what are the best-selling digital products related to fitness, productivity, or personal finance? The best part? This saves hours of research and helps you focus on ideas that already have demand. Make sure people actually want what you're selling. Just because AI suggests a product doesn't mean it will sell. Before you create anything, you need to check if people are actually buying similar products. One of the easiest ways to do this is by searching on Etsy or Gumroad. If you see similar products with high sales numbers, that's a great sign. You can also check Pinterest trends, since a lot of digital product sales come from Pinterest. If you see tons of posts about a specific type of product, that's another good indicator. Social media can also give you a clue. Try searching TikTok or Instagram hashtags related to your idea. If videos about that type of product have thousands or even millions of views, you're onto something. Another great tool is Google Trends. Just type in your product idea and see if interest is growing or declining over time. Find a unique angle so you stand out. Once you find a product idea that's already selling, the next step is making it your own. The easiest way to do that is by narrowing it down to a specific niche. For example, if AI suggests selling digital planners, don't just create another general planner. Instead, create something with a clear audience in mind, like a fitness planner for gym lovers, a content calendar for social media creators, or a budget tracker designed for freelancers. The more specific your product is, the easier it will be to market, because you're speaking directly to a certain type of customer. Instead of trying to sell to everyone, you're creating something for a group of people who actually need it. Now that you've found the perfect product idea, it's time to bring it to life. This is where a lot of people hesitate because they think they need to be a designer, a writer, or have advanced skills to create something valuable. But here's the good news. AI can do most of the work for you. You don't need to spend weeks creating a product from scratch. Whether it's an ebook, a Canva template, a Notion planner, or even AI-generated stock music, there's a tool that can help you create it in just minutes. Let's go over how you can make your product quickly and professionally using AI. Ebooks and PDF guides are one of the easiest digital products to sell. People love them because they provide useful information in a simple format. And with AI, writing an ebook takes way less time than you might think. The first step is to open ChatGPT and ask it to generate an outline. Try something like, "Give me a 10-page ebook outline on productivity tips for busy entrepreneurs." Once you have a structure, you can take it a step further by asking, now write a detailed introduction in section 1. AI will generate the content for you, and you can refine it as needed. Once your text is ready, head over to Canva and choose an ebook template. Just copy and paste your content. Customize the colors and fonts to match your brand, and add some visuals to make it look polished. When you're happy with the design, export it as a PDF, and just like that, your first digital product is ready to sell. If you're more into design, selling Canva templates or printables is another great way to make money. People buy templates for social media posts, resumes, business cards, planners, and so much more. Canva's built-in AI tools make designing even easier. You can start by searching for a template related to your niche, like an Instagram carousel template or a wedding planner. Once you find one that fits, use Canva's Magic Design AI to help customize it. You can tweak the colors, fonts, and layout with just a few clicks. To make your product even better, think about what would make it easier for customers to use. If you're selling templates, you might want to include a quick tutorial or instructions so buyers know exactly how to customize them. When everything looks good, save it as an editable Canva template, and it's ready to list in your store. AI isn't just for writing and design. You can also use it to create digital products like AI-generated artwork, stock music, and sound effects. If you want to sell digital art, tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI can generate high-quality images based on simple text prompts. You can create abstract designs, branding elements, or even detailed illustrations that customers can use for their projects. For those interested in music, AI-powered tools like SoundRaw or Ava can generate original soundtracks. These are perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and content creators who need royalty-free music. And if you want to take it even further, you can sell AI-generated voiceovers or background sounds for video editors and game developers. Notion templates are in high demand, and AI can help you structure them quickly. Whether it's a content planner, a goal tracker, or a finance management template, people love ready-made systems that make their lives easier. You can use AI to generate the layout ideas. Try asking ChatGPT, what should I include in a content planner for social media managers? Then, take those ideas and build your Notion template step by step. The best part is that once you create it, you can sell the same template over and over again with zero extra work. Now that your digital product is ready, it's time to set up your online store and start making sales. A lot of beginners jump straight to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, which might seem like the easiest way to sell. But here's the catch. Marketplaces take a cut of your sales, limit your branding, and control the customer experience. If you want to keep more of your profits and build a real business, the best approach is to sell from your own website. And the good news? You don't need coding skills or expensive developers. AI-powered website builders make it incredibly easy. When you sell on a marketplace, you're building their business, not yours. They control everything: the rules, the fees, and even how much visibility your product gets. But when you have your own online store, you're in control. You own your customer list, you don't lose money to marketplace fees, and you can build a brand that stands out instead of being just another seller in a crowded marketplace. And setting it up is easier than ever with AI-powered website builders that handle all the technical work for you. The fastest way to launch your online store. If you're worried about setting up a website, don't be. There's AI-powered tools that are super simple. The one that I recommend is buildyourstore.ai. It's 100% free for the first few days with an intuitive setup that gets you selling in minutes. Not just that, but it also comes preloaded with a professionally designed store theme worth $200 to $50 at no extra cost. Did I mention that they also provide you the best domain ever .store for free? Why a .store domain helps you sell more? Most people default to a .com domain, but for an online store, a .store domain is a much better choice. Here's why. Studies show that websites on a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google. Why? Because when people see your store.store, they instantly know it's a place to purchase something. There's no confusion, and that makes them more likely to click. It's no surprise that big brands like MrBeast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, and even Emirates Airlines use .store domains for their online businesses. It's built for sellers, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to sell digital products. And here's something even better. When you get a .store domain, you also unlock free access to Elevate.store. This isn't just another random discount site. It's a curated toolkit for online sellers, packed with exclusive deals on essential tools like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and more. Everything you need to launch and scale your business is right here. A free store, a domain name, and exclusive discounts on powerful tools to help you grow. So don't miss out. Grab yours now. All links are in the description. Now that your online store is set up with a professional .store domain, the next step is getting people to actually visit your site and buy your products. A lot of people assume they need to spend tons of money on ads to make sales, but that's not true. AI makes it easier than ever to market your digital products without spending a fortune. By using AI-powered tools, you can attract the right customers, create engaging content faster, and automate most of your marketing so you don't have to spend hours every day promoting your store. Let's go over the best AI-driven marketing strategies to help you get traffic and make sales on autopilot. One of the best ways to get free traffic is by creating content that naturally brings people to your store. AI can help you do this quickly, even if you don't consider yourself a writer or content creator. Instead of manually writing everything from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly product descriptions that make your listings more appealing. Just ask, write a compelling product description for a Notion planner that helps freelancers stay organized, and AI will do the work for you. If you want to attract people through blog posts, AI tools like WriteSonic or Jasper AI can generate full blog articles that help potential buyers discover your products. For example, if you sell digital planners, you could create a blog post about 10 productivity hacks for entrepreneurs and include your product as a solution. AI also makes social media marketing easier. You can use AI to generate Instagram captions, Pinterest pin descriptions, or TikTok video scripts in seconds. That way you always have fresh content ready to go. Short-form videos are one of the fastest ways to get organic traffic. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts can bring in thousands of views, even if you don't have a big audience yet. If you don't want to show your face, AI can help with that too. You can use tools like Synthesia or HeyGen to create AI-generated videos with realistic avatars and voiceovers. You just type in a script, and AI will generate a full video that looks professional. Another great strategy is to repurpose your existing content. Let's say you wrote a blog post about productivity tips. Instead of creating new content from scratch, you can use AI tools like Ubersuggest or Pictory to turn that article into a short video, an Instagram post, or even a Twitter thread. This way you maximize your reach without extra work. And if you want to automate everything, AI scheduling tools like Metricool or Buffer can handle posting for you. Just upload your content once, and AI will publish it at the best times for engagement. Most people focus only on social media, but email marketing is where the real money is. Social media platforms can change their algorithms anytime. But when you have an email list, you own your audience and can reach them anytime. AI can help you grow your email list faster by creating lead magnets like free mini guides, templates, or exclusive downloads. For example, if you sell Instagram templates, you could offer a free 5 social media post ideas PDF in exchange for an email signup. Once people join your list, AI-powered email tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp AI can automatically send them a sequence of emails that introduces them to your products and encourages them to buy without you having to manually follow up with each person. And the best part? AI can personalize emails based on customer behavior. If someone visits your store but doesn't buy, AI can send them a follow-up email with a discount code or a reminder. This dramatically increases your sales without any extra effort. SEO, search engine optimization, is one of the best ways to get consistent, free traffic to your store. If your website ranks higher on Google, people searching for products like yours will find your store first instead of your competitors. AI tools like SurferSEO or Ubersuggest can help you find the best keywords to include in your product descriptions and blog posts. AI can also help you optimize your product pages with FAQ sections that answer common customer questions, making your listings more informative and helping your website rank higher on Google. Now that your store is set up and you have AI helping you market your digital products, let's talk about the next big step: scaling and automating your business. When you start making sales, you don't want to spend hours every day answering customer questions, creating new content, or manually tracking orders. The goal is to have a system that runs on autopilot so you can focus on growing instead of constantly managing everything. The good news? AI makes this easier than ever. Automate customer support with AI chatbots. As your business grows, you'll start getting a lot of repetitive questions from customers. Instead of answering emails all day, you can use AI-powered chatbots to handle common customer inquiries. Tools like Tidio or ManyChat can provide instant responses to frequently asked questions about your products, pricing, or how to download files. This means customers get the help they need right away, and you don't have to check your inbox every 5 minutes. AI can also generate automatic email responses for common issues, like refund requests or troubleshooting, so customers always get fast replies, even if you're not online. Use AI to keep creating content without doing the work. Scaling your business means reaching more people, and that requires consistent content creation. Instead of spending hours every week brainstorming ideas, AI tools can help keep your marketing going without extra effort. AI writing assistants like Jasper AI or Copy.ai can generate blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions in seconds. AI video tools like Runway ML or Synthesia can create promotional videos without you needing to record anything. And if you want to post regularly on social media, AI scheduling tools like Buffer or Metricool can handle that for you. The more you automate content creation, the more your business grows, without you having to constantly produce new material yourself. AI-powered email marketing to boost repeat sales. Once someone buys a digital product from you, they're more likely to buy again if you stay in touch with them. But instead of manually following up with every customer, AI can automate the entire process. AI email platforms like Klaviyo or ConvertKit can segment your customers and send personalized follow-up emails. For example, if someone buys an Instagram template, AI can automatically send them an email a week later with a special offer on a matching set of templates. This turns one-time buyers into repeat customers without you having to do any manual work. AI-driven pricing and sales optimization. AI doesn't just automate tasks. It can also help you make smarter business decisions by analyzing what's working and what's not. AI pricing tools like PriceInc or Repricer Express can adjust your product prices based on demand and competitor pricing. If certain products are selling well, AI can suggest increasing the price slightly to maximize profits. If sales slow down, it can trigger a limited time discount to boost conversions. You can also use AI analytics tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar to track customer behavior on your website. If AI notices that people are leaving your store without buying, it can recommend changes to your product descriptions, images, or checkout process to improve conversions. With AI, you're not just automating your store, you're optimizing it for maximum growth. So now you've seen how to start, market, and scale your digital product business with AI. We've covered everything from choosing the right product to setting up your store, driving traffic, and automating the entire process so you can make sales on autopilot. If you've been thinking about starting an online business, this is your sign to take action. AI has made it easier than ever to create and sell digital products, and the sooner you start, the sooner you can start making money. Instead of just watching this video and moving on, take the first step today. Go back to the section on choosing a digital product and use AI to generate ideas. Pick one that feels right for you, then start creating. You don't need to have everything perfect. Just start, and you'll improve along the way. Drop a comment below and let me know what product you're thinking of selling, whether it's an ebook, a Canva template, or an AI-generated design. I'd love to hear about it. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button so more people can find it too. If you want more AI-powered strategies for growing your online business, make sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing even more tips in future videos. And before you go, if you're serious about selling online, make sure to grab your own .store domain at the link in the description below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take action, start creating, and I can't wait to see your digital product business come to life.